Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold a cat using a square piece of paper. Materials you will need are a square paper and a black marker. Let's begin! First, flip your paper over so the white side is facing up. If your paper is the same color on both sides, you don't need to flip it. This shape is called a square. It has four sides that are all the same length. Let's bring the right corner in front of you. To do that, place your right finger on the top right corner and your left finger on the bottom left corner. Now slowly turn the paper like this. Next, we will match the bottom corner to the top corner to make a triangle. Pick it up, bring it up, hold the corners together and press down gently. Slide your fingers down to the right and left to make a nice crease. Now you have a triangle. If the corners don't match perfectly, that's okay. Just do your best. Let's fold up the right corner. Pick it up. Bring it up. And press it down. Then fold up the left corner. Pick it up. Bring it up. And press it down. Now fold down the top corner. There are two layers, so make sure you fold both layers. Hold it with one hand and fold with the other hand. Press well. That's it. Now flip over your paper. Let's draw the face. With your black marker, draw two eyes. Then draw a nose. 2 curved lines. And 3 whiskers on each side. You don't have to copy mine. Draw your cat any way you like. Ta-da! You made an origami cat. This is the same fold we used for the dog in the last video, but we folded it from a different side and angle. These cats and dogs are simple and fun. They help you practice matching corners, folding sides, and making creases. It's okay if it's not perfect. If you're having fun folding and drawing, that's wonderful. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.